Hey guys, and welcome back to my nail journal. So today we're going to do a little quick unboxing video of my package from Forever Dipped because I got a few new things that I haven't tried. And this is a ginormous package and it's heavy. So let's go ahead and open it. Well then, I'll just cut it. Okay, I'm starting to smell something that smells really good already. Like, as soon as I got that cut wide open, I smell it. It's wafting out now. Okay, so let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. So I'm guessing this is the soap. I wanted to try her little handmade bar soap. So this is the Milk and Honey Himalayan Salt Handmade Soap, and it's 4 ounces. And so you have Forever Dipped, and then I think she's also like branching off and kind of having like a sister company called Skin Luxuries, which is more of her skincare stuff, obviously. This is really cute. Let me smell it. Oh my god, yeah, that smells delicious. Okay, made with goat's milk, honey, almond oil, olive oil, and Himalayan salt with essential scent for external use only. Please keep reach out of whatever. Keep children out of reach. You guys, I just woke up, but it's okay because I got my coffee. So literally, I like wanted to get in the bath when I woke up, and then I heard the mail lady, so I figured, let me go ahead and film this, and then I'll get in the bath, because I wanted to use some of this stuff. So, there's that. Let's see what's next. Oh my gosh, look how cute this bag is. Oh, I am not throwing away this bag. This is adorable. Okay, we got Confetti Noodles. Ooh, what's in here? What is this? Is this a bath bomb? It's like glittery. I'm going to assume that maybe this is like a bath bomb or bath fizz. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. Maybe that has a lavender scent. I can't tell. Okay. Now to get this big jar out of here. Okay, yay! I got more of the lemon pound cake because that's my favorite sugar scrub ever right now. And I really love her new jar for them. This is freaking huge. So, you guys know, the smell of this. Oh, she seals them. Oh, wow, that's so cute. Okay, hold on. I gotta rip this off because I just want to, like, sniff it all day. I have, like, the tiniest amount of my other lemon pound cake still in the glass jar because I was, like, savoring it until I could get more. Oh, it smells so good. Look at this. This looks so awesome. I'm so glad I have more. How big is this? 8 ounces. I don't remember how big the other jar was. But this one is 8 ounces. So this is granulated sugar, beeswax. I can't really read that. Stearic acid, shea butter, and olive oil. I don't know. All I know is that it's the bomb. This stuff moisturizes your hands so well. It's so, like, soft and creamy, but it has just enough sugar to exfoliate. And the smell of it is just... Oh, I've, like, begged her to try and start making wax melts, which, girl, Joyce, right now is the best time because this cold weather, you don't have to worry about the wax melts melting on the way to people's houses. And, like, if she made wax melts with this scent, oh my god, my husband actually prefers the regular lemon one because it smells more like lemon shake-ups from the fair. So, like, maybe I'd have to get both because he can kiss my ass. I love this one so much. I love both, but that one, just something about it. It just feels so homey. She wrote me some notes on my paper. So I got the Lavish Yourself set, which we're getting ready to look at. And she said Loofah soaps are more lemon with a hint of lavender. And she actually upgraded the lemon pound cake sugar scrub to an 8 ounce. I guess I had bought a 5.29 ounce. But Joyce, thank you so much. She knows how much I freaking love that scrub. Okay, so, and then I didn't order this little glittery thing. So she said that, she says, try me. This is an Epsom salt cake Place in tub, will melt and let the relaxation begin. So that's a sample. So I don't want to like use it all up in one go. I'm going to try to like maybe cut pieces off of it. I don't know. Are you supposed to use the whole thing? I don't want to. I want to be able to use it again. I'm going to cut it maybe like pieces off of it for now. And then put like the leftovers in a Ziploc baggie so I can like use small amounts. Hold on. Need a coffee break. Okay. I was so excited about this because it looked so cute on her website. Unfortunately, I think USPS kind of like, it's not that bad. It's just a little smushed. So this box is adorable though. It's just, it's kind of like a flimsier cardboard. And so USPS kind of just smushed it some. But on the front here, it does have Skin Luxuries. And on the sticker as well, and up here. So this is really cute. I love her whole aesthetic. Her aesthetic is just like, I don't know how else to explain it except for homey. I don't know, or maybe nostalgic would be the word. It just reminds me of something in my childhood that I love so much. Maybe something with my grandma, which is like, I don't know if people would take offense to that, like, oh, you're trying to say her stuff is just like old granny stuff. No, my grandma had class and style, thank you. And the smells, something about it, I don't know. Just know that I freaking love everything. So, let's open up this adorable little box. I do like that it has a little window. So we get a awesome scratch off, and it says, thank you for supporting a small business, which you guys... This is a Black women-owned small business. You guys have got to, if you've never bought from Forever Dipped, you have to check her out. You have to. And, like, she has awesome dip powder stuff as well, obviously, but I love her skincare so much. So this will give me, like, a discount for my next purchase when I scratch that off. And then we have this adorable card which says, treat yourself, lavishly, and then Skin Luxuries. Oops, can't see it. Skin Luxuries by Forever Dipped. Thank you. Oh my gosh, look how cute this little box is. Hold on. Look at all this stuff. Okay, so this was the, I literally just read it off a minute ago. You guys, I'm telling you, I just woke up. This is the Lavish Yourself set. And I can't remember how much it was. It doesn't say on here. I want to say it was like 20 bucks. I can't remember. I'll look it up though. And I'll put a picture here, a screenshot of how much it was. For the amount of stuff that comes in this box, and then like free shipping too, which I think it was free shipping. She was having a sale when I bought all this, so now I can't remember. But the amount of stuff in this box for that price is so good. So, okay, let's just get to looking. Oh my gosh, it's the packaging. It's getting to me again. I don't even want to like open anything. It's so cute. Okay, Skin Luxuries by Forever Dip Earl Grey All Day Bath Soak. And this is 2 ounces. So this is, I'm guessing, like an Epsom salt bath soak. This little bag is adorable. Again, I don't want to open it and ruin the packaging. You guys, I'm really weird about packaging. If it's cute, like, it's such a hard thing for me to open and use it. Okay. And then I think the little spoon is to scoop out your Epsom salt. It's a little wooden spoon. How freaking cute. Then we have Lavish Body Oil, and this is in a spray bottle. Oh, I'm going to spray this on my legs after I shave. This is Lavender Lemon. I want to open it to smell it. Actually, I can smell it through the bottle. It smells delicious. Holy crap. Hold on. Okay, now that I got the plastic off there, I love this little bottle. Okay, let me see. I want to really smell it. Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, again, it's something, the smells, it makes me want to cry almost because it is so nostalgic. I don't know how to pinpoint what it's from. It reminds me of my grandma, but I don't know why. My grandma always smelled good, you guys. Like, my grandma loved lotions, she loved body oils, she loved perfumes, and she just, the smell of this is so good. I definitely want to try this on my legs after shaving. Okay, what's next? Okay, so I'm excited about this. This is one of her bath truffles, And I'm pretty sure it's shaped like freaking ice cream scoop, but the packaging is so, it's so cute. Okay. Lavish bath truffle. This is in lavender, and it is baking soda, citric acid, something, and shea butter. Am I going to open it so I can show you guys? Because I'm pretty sure this is the one that, oh no, I don't want to do it. I don't want to rip it open. No! No, I'm not doing it. I'll put a picture right here because I'm pretty sure it's shaped like an ice cream scoop. I also don't want to open anything like too much yet anyway because I want to take a picture for the thumbnail. But I'm going to do the same thing with this. I kind of don't want to have to use it all in one go. I want to like cut a piece off and put leftover in a baggie. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there's 2 of these. This is the Lavishly Loofah soap. And this is lavender and lemon. And okay, yeah, there's 2 of these. Goat's milk, soap, olive oil, and honey. So I think they're the same thing. They feel awesome. I don't know how to explain it. They just feel awesome. Let me see. Didn't she write a note about that? Loofah soaps are more lemon with a hint of lavender. Okay. Okay, that's awesome because I would prefer more lemon over lavender anyway, so that's perfect. Okay, and then another bottle. So this is a room and body spray. Hold on, let me open this. Okay, so Skin Luxuries Lavish Room Body Spray, and this is Sea Salt Orchid. Let me smell this. Oh my gosh, wow, I love that. Oh wow, that smells straight up like something from Bath & Body Works, you guys. That smells expensive. Like, Bath & Body Works isn't the most expensive thing, but that smells luxe, dude. Dude. Oh my gosh, do you sell these separate on your website? Because, like, what if I run out? Can I buy more? Dude, that smells so good, I can't. Like, I'm serious, it smells so good. Okay, and then I think, yeah, another bath truffle. So I got 2 lavender bath truffles. And look how nice this is. She put in a cold pack. See, girl, you already got the cold pack. Start making them wax melts. I'm not trying to put pressure on her. I just know I love her combination of scents so much that I'm just like, please, let me make my house smell good, girl. Okay, first of all, I kind of want to like, okay, I want to kind of like put these in here, sort of nicely, because like I said, I want to get a picture for the thumbnail. But while we're doing this, let's talk. Okay, so everything in here is so cute, and everything that I can smell smells absolutely delicious. Everything was packaged so well. I mean, you guys saw me open it. There was like saran wrap on everything, so there was no leaking. Nothing was getting smushed. Even though this is like a little flimsy-ish cardboard box, it came just fine. Everything was just fine. Nothing was broken. Nothing's leaking. Like, there's oily stuff in here. Like, like these, you know, and that happens. When you ship out stuff that has oil in it, that can happen. It can leak out. I feel no oil residue on anything. Nothing leaked. And everything came so perfectly done. Oh, I should have put this in the bag. This little bag is adorable as crap. And it's a Ziploc. So I can take my little spoon. I can open it, take my little spoon, and scoop some bath salt out of there. And it's just, look at this. The aesthetic of this box and her packaging. You guys, it really does. She's branched off, and her skincare line is called Skin Luxuries. And seriously, it really does feel luxurious. The packaging, the way everything is done, it's so good. I can't get over it. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm trying to play Tetris. Okay, that should work good enough, I think. Okay. Everything was really well done, Joyce, and I can't wait. I'm going to get in the bath right now and use, like, a lot of this stuff. I definitely can't wait to use this Himalayan salt soap because I've been, like, eyeballing it since I saw you first post about it, and I just hadn't had the money. And so when my birthday came, and, you know, you get birthday money from people, I was like, I need to not only replenish my scrub, which thank you so much for upgrading it for me, Joyce, but I also wanted to try, I wanted to be able to try more of her stuff that I haven't been able to try yet. And the fact that she has this Lavish Yourself little bundle was an awesome deal for me to be able to try multiples of her stuff. And at such a, you guys, her prices blow my mind. I don't know how she does it with the prices. She is very inexpensive for what she gives you. Like, this should cost way more than what it did, which don't get any ideas on me, girl, because I'm not, I am poor. Like, I appreciate your current prices, just so you know. But, I mean, look at this. This looks like it should be in some fancy freaking store. It's adorable, and everything, I know the quality is going to be good, because everything I try from her is always good. So, thank you guys for watching my little unboxing. I will try to link everything. I believe she has a separate Etsy for just skincare stuff. I ordered this off of her website, though. So, I will try to, like, find links to all of her stuff. Any of her websites, any of her Facebook group, her Instagram, all that. I'll link all that below. And again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!